Presenting AI Agents Army, Big Daddy of ChatGPT, your ultimate super AI virtual assistant that can finish hundreds of marketing tasks in seconds. Imagine having hundreds of AI agents, like Army of Agents, like Iron Man's Jarvis, your personal AI butler assistant. It can create websites, videos, voiceovers, art images, social posts, ads copies, emails, content, blogs, business plan, marketing plan, idea generator, lead generator, daily to-do list, scheduler, marketing assistance, and more. For you and your clients in seconds using just a keyword. Imagine the level of automation and the army of AI agents who will work like your personal staff to get things done in seconds for you. There's a reason why we call it a big daddy of ChatGPT. It's like Iron Man's Jarvis, your personal AI butler in business with hundreds of AI capabilities. Look, ChatGPT is good. It started at the age of AI. But ChatGPT still has some limitations. You need to keep giving input text to get output content, no automation. You need to be good at giving prompts. 90% of people still struggle with correct prompts. On the other hand, AI Agents gives you multiple outputs and reuses the automation for future keyword inputs. Let me explain it with an example. Suppose you command create good Twitter post for Ferrari car. AI Agents Army will create beautiful tweet posts for Ferrari. Your next command create FB, Insta, and other social using previous tweet post. It'll create it instantly. Your next command. Using previous FB posts to create a full blog on Ferrari, it'll create it in seconds. Now, ask AI Agents Army to create a video script of 5 minutes using the previous steps. And demand it to write good YouTube video descriptions using previous steps. Ask it to make good PPT on luxury cars. Set this as your automation, and ask AI Agents Army to repeat it for other topics like organic farming, football, cosmetics. Use AI Agent Army to automate hundreds of other tasks and to train other hundreds of agents. Imagine the level of multi-level automation. Army of AI agents. This is the next level of ChatGPT. It's like Iron Man's Jarvis, your personal AI butler assistant. The good part is, AI Agents Army work in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, choose a task. Step 2, give text prompt or voice command. Step 3, publish to get the task done and voila, profit. Create anything in seconds, be it websites, sales pages, e-com stores, blogs, sales video scripts, AI images, attention-grabbing social post and ads banners, high-converting emails, good SEO strategy plan, long blog content, lead generation strategy, agents for any task, professional PowerPoint presentations, powerful marketing plan for any campaign, powerful business plan, workflow and multi-agents for multiple tasks, and much more. AI Agents Army has powerful agents for creating content, image generation, video creation, presentations, websites, marketing planner, financial planner, idea generators, researcher on any topic, acting as consultant on any topic. It has powerful features like AI content writer, stock library, email writer, prompt templates, SEO optimized content, workflows agents, and 100+ agents to create anything from scratch. The best part is, if you ever compare AI Agents Army to ChatGPT, Simplified, Jasper, or Copy AI, you will feel 10x more power at an unbeatable cost. Cheers to no comparison. And the good news is only for today. AI Agents Army come with a commercial license, which means you can manage clients' campaigns from your dashboard and charge them any amount you want, make any amount of money you want. Do you know freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork charge upwards of $500 to $1,000 or more for any marketing task, which you can do in seconds now? Imagine, if you ever put a gig there on Fiverr or Upwork, you will beat all competitions in no time. In fact, AI Agents Army does way more than that and replaces dozens of AI apps all at once. Why waste hundreds of dollars every month when you can have AI Agents Army at a low one-time price? It's your choice to be on the losing side by struggling to get traffic or winning side of AI Agents Army to get you millions of free traffic. You will be able to create a website, videos, images, content, plans, and ideas and get anything possible with an army of your own. 1,000s of AI bots working for you for every scenario in any business, 24/7, even when you sleep. But beware, AI Agents Army will turn into 197 per month immediately after this introductory launch period. Thus, it makes sense to take your AI Agents Army account now before it's too late. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Nothing can be better than having AI Agents Army where AI finishes hundreds of marketing tasks in seconds, saves manual efforts, saves you money. No freelancer or salary payments or high project costs. Make money with commercial license. Create and sell unlimited marketing. Assets for clients? Easy to create anything in seconds. No need to learn tough prompts like ChatGPT. It's like Iron Man's Jarvis, your personal AI butler or assistant. Imagine the level of multi-level automation. You will have army of AI agents. This is the next level of ChatGPT. Everything at such a low one-time price with a money-back guarantee. But this offer is expiring soon, so click on the button below and get AI Agents Army for the lowest price ever. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.
Welcome to AI Agents Army. Finishes hundreds of marketing tasks in seconds. On the left menu you will see the options like Let's Work, Text to Image, Image to Image, Text to GIF, Text to Audio, Train Chatbot, AI Templates, My Assets, Media, Leads, White Label and Settings. And, in the top right corner, you get options to manage your profile, update your password, team management, and oversee both your end AMP, client's workspace, subscription management, and video tutorials. This central hub puts everything you need right at your fingertips for seamless management and convenience. Alright, let's dive in. Click on Let's Work. Here you can find all AI agents who have expertise in different tasks. Categorized for business, coach, education, health, leisure, and many other. Let's me select Freya Smith, who is social media influencer. Enter the task you want Freya to do or simply select the prompts from here. Here we have niche-specific prompts which allows you streamline your projects. Let's understand how you can leverage the full potential of AI Agents Army with example. Suppose you command create good Twitter post for Ferrari car. AI Agents Army will create beautiful tweet posts for Ferrari. Your next command create Facebook, Insta, and other social media posts using previous tweet post. It'll create it instantly. Your next command using previous Facebook posts to create a full blog on Ferrari. It'll create it in seconds now. Ask AI Agents Army to create a video script of 5 minutes using the previous steps and demand it to write good YouTube video. Descriptions using previous steps. Then ask it to make good PPT on luxury cars. Set this as your automation, and ask AI Agents Army to repeat it for other topics like organic farming, football, cosmetics. Use AI Agent Army to automate hundreds of other tasks and to train other hundreds of agents. Imagine the multi-level automation of AI Agents Army. This is the next level of ChatGPT. It's like Iron Man's Jarvis, your personal AI butler assistant. Breathtaking reality with our AI image generator. You can generate different type of AI images like oil paint, robotic, watercolor, and many more. Input some keywords and click on Generate. Here you can see, we have generated amazing AI images based on your input. You can view, download, save to these AI images to My Assets. Moving to image here, choose an image or drag it here, input some keywords and click on Generate. Here you can see, we have regenerated your image, based on the input provided by you. Next is text to GIF. Input some keywords and click Generate GIF. Here you can see, we have generated some amazing AI GIF, based on the input provided by you. Now comes Train Chatbot. To train your chatbot, the first section is choosing a theme. Next is the profile section, where you can personalize your bot according to your branding. You can update your bot profile image, bot widget, bot name, its language, and theme colors to match yours or your customer's branding at any time. Now comes the question and answer section, where you can set a welcome message for your website visitors, which you can update or remove anytime. After that, you can fill in the FAQ and answers form. Now training your chatbot using website URL or upload your PDF files, select your preferred autoresponder and choose the list where you want to manage leads. Finally, click Save and copy embed code. Next is AI templates. Here you are getting thousands of eye-catchy templates. Use them for you or for your clients' projects, preview or start editing them. Once you have done with the editing, save it for later use or download. My Assets. This is central hub of all your completed work. You can manage all files, images, videos, audio in specific folders and create unlimited folder for smooth workflow. Moving forward to Media is the central hub of 2 million plus images, videos, GIFs, so you can search and download and use them for your or your clients' projects. Next, move to the Leads section. Here you can manage all leads generated using trained chatbots, manage and export leads anytime. Now comes the most demanding feature, whiteleable. Everyone wants custom branding on products to become authority, and that's why we are giving an opportunity to you. Replace AI Agents Army dashboard logo with your own branding as well as on trained chatbot footer branding. We are giving power to add different logo to add on dashboard in trained chatbot footer so you can present AI Agents Army as your own. Create client accounts with their branding and have 100% control with you. I guess you are amazed with the white labeling feature. Now move to the settings. Here you can manage settings of your account, manage workspace, manage clients, watch tutorial videos, subscription, integration, support, bonuses, and session. Let's explore integrations part as its most important feature to collect leads and sales. We are giving all major autoresponder integration to collect leads on automation, CRM platform, webinar integrations. Moving on to manage clients, add new client and just snap, simply enter the client's name and email and the all new client account and ready with his separate login details, auto deliver on client email address. And the most important thing is we will manage customers support for you and your clients as well. Sounds amazing. Yeah, it is. So that's all about AI Agents Army. I am Atul Parikh, thanking you to being with me. See you on the Inside Members area.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are live. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I see the room is filling up massively. I see Wayne's in the house. Wayne Bolster saying, I'm super excited. Can't wait to see this. There we go. We see Francis in the house for 2. Anthony, Sally's here. Awesome. Wow, we got over 100 people already. We just opened up the room. Welcome, beautiful people. Just give me a quick heads up. The sooner you do, the faster we can get started. This is live. So just so you know we're all good, or so that we know we're all good on the tech side of things, let me know if you can see the screen. Let me know if you can hear my voice. The faster, the sooner you let us know in the chat box, the faster we can get started. I got something especially powerful, something that I absolutely was amazed by the first time I saw it. Really, really amazing piece of work from none other than Atul and Jay here. Man, the masterminds behind this, the genius, the level of genius behind this is unheard of. The way they've been able to bend the AI to their will, to let it do exactly what they want, to scale their business and make tons of money with it. That's exactly what this AI does. We have a lot of social proof, a lot of case studies, a lot of use cases that we've applied it to. It's amazing. And the great thing is, this is unlike anything you have seen before. So I'm super excited to share this with you. So again, the sooner you let me know, you can see the screen, you can hear my voice, the faster we can get started. I see, hey, Raheem, hi there, what's up? Live, good to go. I can see in here. I see people from California. Joe says, will you be showing a demo of how the software works? Yes, most definitely. And I do want to give you a heads up. 2 things. One, if you come to the live, you're always going to get the biggest bang for your buck. Plus, you get amazing bonuses. So first of all, already congratulations on being here. You're going to get the best of the best. Number 2, on the live session, we go extra extend. We go and do a demo, but also training, right? We don't just want to do a little product demo and tell you, right, this is it, good luck. We actually want to educate you, make you a better entrepreneur than before you entered this webinar. So once you have this tool, you don't just have a tool, but you have a full game plan, a framework. You can immediately go and apply it and start generating results. So yes, demo and training will be included 100%. And obviously, since we're on the live, you're going to get a massive deal. So with that being said, let's get started. I see Pursuit already saying it's going to be more than an hour. I'm thinking maybe a little bit more than an hour. I'm going to keep it no fluff as fast as humanly possible. I appreciate your time. So with that being said, again, let's get right into it. Hyper intelligent automation AI generates 6 figures in sales This is actually proven. It's amazing, on complete autopilot, allowing you to get instant business growth even if you're a complete beginner or never made money online before. Now, as you should know by now, the absolute fastest way in 2024 and beyond to build a wildly profitable business is by none other than leveraging AI. Even the big guys right now have no choice but to incorporate AI in their business structure, in their business framework. And that is simply because of something I've shared many, many times before. AI right now is smarter and faster than ever. Smarter than you, smarter than me, even smarter than a tool. And that's a genius of a man. And it's faster than all of us together here, right? So it's only in your favor to let AI do all the work for you. Now, I do want to let you know, the people that take action on this today, you will have an AI that can make you money on autopilot. That is what distinguishes this particular AI from all the other AIs. A lot of them are very manual. Yeah, they can do stuff for you. They're really powerful nonetheless, but they require a lot of human and manual input. And what you're about to see next is something so automated, it is out of this world. It can make you money on autopilot and have clients begging you to sell them. We actually have people using our AI army right now and are making money as we speak. I'm talking people like John, Charlotte, Sarah, Alex. I'm going to dive deeper into these case studies in a second. And I also want to let you know, if right now, because obviously AI has been around for a while now, if you're using AI right now and are not really making at least at the bare minimum 4 figures per week, I want you to understand that the problem, and this is where the AI I'm going to show you today is going to beautifully solve this for you. The problem is a lot of people have AI and are lost in the AI marketing jungle, as in it can do so many things for you and you don't know what it should do for you. It's all manual, so it's still on you. All the work is on your shoulders, and you're kind of lost on where to start with in the first place. Now, I want you to know that after today's training, you will have an AI army, not just one AI, but a full-on army of AIs building your entire business for you, which will allow you to create a recurring income on demand. So now that you know what we're going to talk about, like I said, if you come to the live, you'll always get the biggest bonuses if you prove that you're here live with us. So what I want you to do right now, even if you haven't said a word so far, you know how it works. Comment yes in the chat box right now for me to show us that you're here, to prove that you're not a bot, to prove that you're paying attention. And if you comment yes and stay until the end, we got an amazing AI bonus package for you just for showing up, being live, because we appreciate you for taking this time out of your day to educate yourself and grow your business. And we feel those are the kind of entrepreneurs that need to get rewarded more. So let me go ahead and have a look at the chat. See a lot of yeses filling in. Yeses. William, Joe, Carlos, Sally, Fred, Wayne, Dell, Pertul, Carlos, Anthony, beautiful. Clayton says I'm here. Tran is here. Manuel, Lynn, Ken, Key, Vincent, Kerry. Man, the list goes on and on and on. VJ, amazing. I love it. Now, I'm going to let the chat team take care of that. We have the software developers in the house here as well. I'm going to bring them on later. But for now, I'll keep on with the presentation. They'll take a screenshot of the chat and make sure you get your attendance bonus package. So with that being said, just so you know, you're in good hands here today. I think most of you know Atul and Jay, masterminds in the game. I had the pleasure of meeting Atul recently in Dubai myself. Brilliant man. Jay was there as well. But just so you know, for those of you that haven't been really familiar with their works, these are 8-figure experts who've been able to scale companies left, right, and center, take beginners by their hand and absolutely turn them into powerhouse product launchers, powerhouse affiliate marketers. And right now, they're doing all of their teachings with the power of AI. Basically, everything they've learned, everything they've applied, everything that allowed them to get on listings like Forbes, Yahoo Finance. And I'm talking about where you buy a little article and you get on one of these sites. I'm talking about people recognize your efforts and want to interview you, and that ends up becoming a Forbes article. And they're right now leading the game when it comes to AI development. So a big shout out to these guys, and this is just so you know that you're in good hands. So now that you know that, let's get into what you really came here for. The golden nuggets, the secrets, and most definitely the product demo, right? I'm going to share 3 secrets with you. Number 1 is automated AI cash flow. I'm going to show you right off the bat the easiest secret used by top earners to generate 10K per month guaranteed without having to do the work themselves, right? This is going to be a huge mindset shift because, again, I don't just want to show you a little tool and tell you good luck. I want to educate you and make you a better entrepreneur, because right now, the people that understand the game, that have the proper way of thinking, will make money so easily with AI, but it all requires a different way of thinking. So we're going to help you with that and then give you the tool to execute that manner of thinking. Number 2 is clients on demand. I'm going to show you how anyone that grabs this today can instantly generate a consistent side revenue without lifting a finger. And then last but not least, because you're on the webinar, you'll be able to get some instant results by having exclusive webinar only access to generate your first AI profits, even if you're a complete beginner and you've never made money online before. We're going to walk you through the whole 9 yards. Let me know in the chat box which of these secrets you are looking most forward to. Give me a 1 if you can't wait to hear more about automated cash flow, 2 if you want to know more about the clients on demand, or 3 you're just all about getting those instant results. And without further ado, let's dive right into secret number 1 and not waste any second into showing you the easiest secret used by top earners to generate 10K a month, guaranteed, without having to do the work themselves. And I'm looking at the chat box right here. I see a lot of 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3 clients on demand and instant results. Says Karen. I see Neil, Michelle, Carlos, Fred, Michael, Lynn, and Will, 3 and 2. I love it. You guys are amazing. Someone's saying I can't chat. I can see your chat, Lori. So just know I can see your chat. Roger says I'm not a bot. I'm here. I love it. All right. Let's make it happen. Let's dive right in. So I'm going to give you a quick backstory so you understand how this came about. And like I said, no fluff. I'm going to keep it straight to the point, and we're going to get to an awesome demo. So I used to spend tons of money, and some of you might know this story already. I shared it many times, tons of money on learning skills to grow my business so that I can then use those skills and provide those skills as a service, right? That's the easiest way to do it. You learn something really well, you apply it for yourself, and you get so good at it, you can get paid to do it for others, right? Easiest trick in the book. Now, the hard way that I went through, and unfortunately still a lot of people today are going through, of making at least 10K a month is this. They buy courses on funnels, they buy courses on marketing, they buy courses on lead gen, they buy courses and tools, I might add, on conversions, on copywriting. And while they're trying to learn and educate themselves on all of these things separately, at the same time, you have other opportunities, business models. Oh, now dropshipping is hot. Now cryptocurrency is hot. We're in a bull run. Better educate yourself on some trading. There's ongoing shiny objects on the side where you're trying to figure out and become an expert in each of these things. Now, I'm not going to say it's impossible, but it is extremely hard. We only have one brain, and it's like telling an athlete, become a pro soccer player, pro rugby player, pro football player, pro basketball player. It's almost impossible. For every person that succeeds in this way, there are thousands that fail. As a matter of fact, let me know in the chat box, can anyone relate to this, or have you gone through this, or are you going through this right now? Because if you do, I'm that much more happy that you're here, as today we're going to end and break this cycle for you for once and for all. I see a lot of people saying yeses. Let's go, Raheem. Thank you so much. Yes, I love it, going through it. All right, so if you're here and this is you, let's get you the hell out of it. This is the absolute worst way to ever build a business, obviously, right? And unfortunately, this is how everyone tries and does it. And it's just, it sucks. I've been through it myself. Now, the thing is, as you know, there are just so many things to learn, and you can never be an expert in all of them. At least I couldn't. And I would have to spend tons of time and money before I could figure this out on my own. Now, if you're anything like me, like Atul, like Jay, you want tangible results that puts food on the table ASAP, as soon as possible. So with that being said, who wants to know, here's where it gets interesting, the simple realization, and even though it's as obvious as light as day, it took me a while to realize this, that gets you to quickly on track to actually doing 6 figures. Let me know, who wants to know this? I'm not even going to wait for your answer because I know everyone. I see me, yeses. That's why we're here. Break the cycle. Let's get it. All right. You guys are amazing in the chat, by the way. I love it. So here's what I did. I started analyzing big successful agencies, right? Products, software, SaaS, bootstrap businesses. I kind of went away from the little products, the little trainings, the shiny objects, and I analyzed bigger companies, startups, funded startups. And here's what I realized. They don't buy courses. It's crazy. They don't buy courses. What they do is they buy expertise. It's a whole different ballgame. They don't buy courses. They buy expertise, right? If you look at some great entrepreneurs, and maybe they're not great in your eyes, maybe they are great in your eyes, but they have achieved a lot. Robert Kiyosaki being one of them. Smart says a smart entrepreneur knows they cannot run a business on their own. They know that business is a team sport. Steve Jobs. Great things in business are never done by one person. They're done by a team of people, right? Matthew Woodbury. If you take out the team and teamwork, it's just work. Who wants that? And even in sports, Michael Jordan. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championship. It is the secret as old as day. But regardless, we're trying out here to learn every single course, try and apply every single method, and put it all on us. So let me ask you a question. If you actually were to hire a highly trained team of business experts, I'm talking you're the CEO, this is you right here. You got a marketing expert working for you. You got a sales expert working for you. You got a services delivery expert. So you're like, hey, this is my product, this is my affiliate offer, this is my agency offer, this is my marketing offer. I want you to go out and market it, create all the content, do the organic marketing, create a blueprint on how to get it to the people. I want you to make sure everything's converting. We got the sales video, we got people ascending, we got people booking calls, we got people going through the funnel, and you will want to make sure we got all the customer support, we got the customer delivery, everyone's happy, all the questions are answered. All right, go out in the field and do your work. If you started operating like this, you have access to your own VIP marketing team and sales team. Simple question, do you see yourself growing your business a lot faster? And for those of you that say yes, I'm going to show you something really, really powerful. Let me know in the chat box, if you had an operation like this where it's not all on your shoulders, you have a marketing team, you have a sales team, you have a delivery team, you have a customer service team, you're actually operating as a business instead of sitting in members areas, learning course after course, applying method after method, and putting it all on your shoulders, where if you're not moving, your entire business is not moving. Do you see your business growing a lot faster if you were actually a CEO that is giving directions and pointers, and all you need to do is have a vision? Because let me tell you, that is how people make 100,000, a million, and beyond. They're not trying to learn everything themselves. They build a team around them. They have a vision, and they say, all right, I need marketing, this person is going to take care of marketing. I need sales, this person is going to take care of sales. I need service delivery, this person is going to take care of service delivery. So would it be a lot easier if you have this? I see lots of yeses flying in. Hell yes, exactly. 100%, you're right. Yeses, yeses, heck yeah. Wayne, oh, you're going to see it, brother. I have a vision. There you go. So now, before AI, right, doing something like this would cost tons of money. You have to, payroll, right? You need to spend a lot of time and money on allocating the proper team. You need mentorship. You need getting access to high-level business people, business methods. The infrastructure would take you a lot of money to put something together like this. That's why you have Series A funding, a lot of money that goes into creating a powerful team, and then a business grows really big. Now, here's what I realized. Even with the best and most expensive AI today, it's still hard to scale a profitable business from scratch. Because even if you were to have such an AI, you need an audience, right? The AI, most AI at least, are not going to help you build an audience. They're more of a supplement to someone that's already having an audience, right? It still requires tons of manual input. You have to go in and tell it what to do over and over and over again, or else nothing is happening. It's only as good as the user. If you don't have the vision, if you don't have the prompts, if you don't have the strategy, ChatGPT, for example, is nothing going to do for you. You need to keep working the AI, and obviously there's a lot of monthly and yearly subscriptions involved. So the lesson I'm trying to give you here is that most AIs on the market are powerful, yes, but there are supplements to what's already working. If you have a thriving business, it can add to it and it can help you streamline operations. But what if you're a little bit more from scratch? You're in the process of building up that audience. You're in the process of getting your first client. You're in the process of hitting your first 10K month. You can't go out and wear all the hats. It's the lowest chance of having success. So here's what you really need. I'm going to break it down for you, and then we're going to get to the demo and show you how the AI will take care of all of this for you. All you need are the following three things. Number one, you need something that is able to build you an audience. Whenever an AI cannot help you with this, run away as fast as you can, because an audience is the lifeblood of your business. Even before leads, you need an audience, because an audience turns into leads. A lot of people, they think they need leads first. No, you need an audience first. People that listen to you so they can become leads, and leads turn into sales. Next, you need something that can be automated. An AI that you have to work manually over and over again and do the same process manually over and over again. Go in, create an image. Sure, it will help you create the image, but you still have to steer it. And if you're not doing that, it's not doing anything. Still a lot of manual work. It needs to be automated. And then on top of that, it needs to be able to deliver to the client. If you're leveraging the AI to also provide the service you're trying to deliver, it needs to be able to deliver properly. If an AI can do all of these three things, you can build a successful AI agency today and hit your first 4-figure and 5-figure month effortlessly, even before this month's end. Now, here's the thing. Atul Parikh and Jay Sharma, and that's why you're here today, obviously, have secretly, Yeah, it didn't even tell me about it. I've been secretly training an AI army. I'm talking a full team of beasts that are, I've seen AI tools before. I've seen AI robots that can help you with this and that, but I've never seen anything like this, where it's so powerful it can turn anyone into a success story from scratch because it has those exact three components. It can build your audience, it can perform the tasks without you consistently in the exact same fashion and manner over and over again. And it attracts and delivers the clients. As a matter of fact, right now, they have over 5,000 business owners that are making money using the AI army. I'm going to walk you through a few case studies. I'm going to take you to the actual demo. So we have my man John here, who went from 236 subscribers on YouTube to 32,500 subscribers, fully automated. I'm talking the AI went through the exact process over and over again. It finds a winning formula and it repeats the steps over and over again. I'm going to show you in a second how that happens. And added up to 32,000 new subscribers in just 30 days by posting motivational videos with whose content was created inside the AI Agents Army. Let me ask you a quick question. If you had over 30,000 subscribers viewing your content, dedicated and following you, would business be a lot easier moving forward? Well, I believe so. If you have 32,000, things become a lot easier. You can make one call to action, one promotion, and you have people, a percentage of that converts, right? If right now you don't have an AI that is building your audience, it's so hard no matter what AI you have. Same goes for our realtor, the real estate bull, great guy, who went ahead and went from 104 subscribers or followers, because this was on Instagram, not on YouTube, to 8.7K. Not too shabby if you ask me. Fully automated once again, right? And another one, we have Alexa, fitness queen. She sells affiliate offers, and right now she's also doing a little bit of her own courses. She's in the process of building those with the AI as well, but added 5,000 new followers on Instagram, also fully automated. Now, there's nothing stopping you from being able to do the exact same thing with what I'm about to show you next. Because here's the thing, the AI agent automates the entire process, right? To build a profitable audience. You enter a keyword. For example, I want Instagram posts for health and fitness that go viral. All right, prompt entered. Then what it's going to do, it's not going to stop there. And most AIs will tell you, all right, here's the result. Good luck with that. And they leave it all to you. What the AI army will do, it will bundle all powers, the entire army at your command, and they go to work back to back. They'll take that same prompt and then immediately create a full blog and social content piece for you. They take that and turn that into a full video script for all your socials, for TikTok, for YouTube, for YouTube short form, for Instagram Reels, for Facebook and Meta Reels. Then they take this entire process, they save what they did, and they make it a standard operating procedure, an SOP. Something that happens over and over and over again, consistently without fail. And let me tell you this, when you repeat the same consistent revenue driving actions, you cannot lose. And this is the power of a real AI, where an army is at work for you. You give it one command and they go above and beyond to make sure it's not just that one command. We do everything around it as well to make sure you are thriving. So let me ask you a quick question. What if we equipped you with your very own personal AI army that's responsible for automating the build of a wildly profitable business? Let me know in the chat box if you had that. Do you see yourself growing your business extremely fast? Like again, like John, like Charlotte, like David, like Michael. John saying the AI Ace Army transformed my marketing game from generating leads to creating engaging social posts. It's like having a marketing team, or army, I should say, at my fingertips. I've boosted my business and earnings thanks to the incredible automation. And the key word here is automation. Most AIs, you give it a prompt, they deliver what you want, and that's it. There's no automation. There's no, it just ends there, and then it's all back on your shoulder. The army, they do the work. They're like, all right, we got the prompt, we understand what you want, we're gonna do the whole 9 yards now. Let me know if you're loving this so far. For those of you that say yes, I want you to pay very close attention, because what I'm about to show you next is going to be crazy. The AI army will make you a profitable business owner, whether you like it or not, because the whole army is designed to take automated processes that are guaranteed to scale your business, and they execute them over and over and over and over again without fail, either for you or for your clients, which we'll talk about in a second. So if you want to see the inside of this, comment AI army in the chat box right now if you want an inside look. And then we're going to have an amazing demo, the reason you came here today, what you want to see, the inside, how does it look, how does it apply. Let's have an amazing look inside. Comment AI army to cue the demo. In the meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and have a look at the chat. Let's see who's with us here. Yes, it would. This is the goal. I like it. Awesome. Yes, certainly. Absolutely. Does it work visually? Yes, it records videos, creatives, everything. You're going to see it in a second. Show us the crazy. I'm loving this. AI army. Everybody's going crazy. You guys are freaking fantastic. All right, let's cue the demo. Have a very close look. And what I want to give as a tip, when you're watching a demo, I always do this when I'm looking at products myself, is envision yourself using it at the same time. So you really have that first person experience almost, instead of looking at it from an outsider. See the demo as if it's already working for your business. So with that being said, let's go ahead and have that inside look.
Welcome to you AI Agents Army. Finishes hundreds of marketing tasks in seconds. On the left menu you will see the options like Let's Work, Text to Image, Image to Image, Text to GIF, Text to Audio, Train Chatbot, AI Templates, My Assets, Media, Leads, White Label and Settings. And, in the top right corner, you get options to manage your profile, update your password, team management, and oversee both your end AMP, client's workspace, subscription management, and video tutorials. This central hub puts everything you need right at your fingertips for seamless management and convenience. Alright, let's dive in. Click on Let's Work. Here you can find all AI agents who have expertise in different tasks, categorized for business, coach, education, health, leisure, and many other. Let's me select Freya Smith, who is social media influencer. Enter the task you want Freya to do or simply select the prompts from here. Here we have niche-specific prompts which allows you streamline your projects. Let's understand how you can leverage the full potential of AI Agents Army with example. Suppose you command create good Twitter post for Ferrari car. AI Agents Army will create beautiful tweet posts for Ferrari. Your next command create Facebook, Insta, and other social media posts using previous tweet post. It'll create it instantly. Your next command using previous Facebook posts to create a full blog on Ferrari. It'll create it in seconds now. Ask AI Agents Army to create a video script of 5 minutes using the previous steps and demand it to write good YouTube video descriptions using previous steps. Then ask it to make good PPT on luxury cars. Set this as your automation, and ask AI Agents Army to repeat it for other topics like organic farming, football, cosmetics. Use AI Agent Army to automate hundreds of other tasks and to train other hundreds of agents. Imagine the multi-level automation of AI Agents Army. This is the next level of ChatGPT. It's like Iron Man's Jarvis, your personal AI butler assistant. Breathtaking reality with our AI image generator. You can generate different type of AI images like oil paint, robotic, watercolor, and many more. Input some keywords and click on Generate. Here you can see, we have generated amazing AI images based on your input. You can view, download, save to these AI images to My Assets. Moving to image here, choose an image or drag it here, input some keywords and click on Generate. Here you can see, we have regenerated your image, based on the input provided by you. Next is text to GIF. Input some keywords and click Generate GIF. Here you can see, we have generated some amazing AI GIF, based on the input provided by you. Now comes Train Chatbot. To train your chatbot, the first section is choosing a theme. Next is the profile section, where you can personalize your bot according to your branding. You can update your bot profile image, bot widget, bot name, its language, and theme colors to match yours or your customer's branding at any time. Now comes the question and answer section, where you can set a welcome message for your website visitors, which you can update or remove anytime. After that, you can fill in the FAQ and answers form. Now training your chatbot using website URL or upload your PDF files, select your preferred autoresponder and choose the list where you want to manage leads. Finally, click Save and copy embed code. Next is AI templates. Here you are getting thousands of eye-catchy templates. Use them for you or for your clients' projects, preview or start editing them. Once you have done with the editing, save it for later use or download. My Assets. This is central hub of all your completed work. You can manage all files, images, videos, audio in specific folders and create unlimited folder for smooth workflow. Moving forward to Media is the central hub of 2 million plus images, videos, GIFs, so you can search and download and use them for your or your clients' projects. Next, move to the Leads section. Here you can manage all leads generated using trained chatbots, manage and export leads anytime. Now comes the most demanding feature, whiteleable. Everyone wants custom branding on products to become authority, and that's why we are giving an opportunity to you. Replace AI Agents Army dashboard logo with your own branding as well as on trained chatbot footer branding. We are giving power to add different logo to add on dashboard and trained chatbot footer so you can present AI Agents Army as your own. Create client accounts with their branding and have 100% control with you. I guess you are amazed with the white labeling feature. Now move to the settings. Here you can manage settings of your account, manage workspace, manage clients, watch tutorial videos, subscription, integration, support, bonuses, and session. Let's explore integrations part as its most important feature to collect leads and sales. We are giving all major autoresponder integration to collect leads on automation, CRM platform, webinar integrations. Moving on to manage clients, add new client and just snap, simply enter the client's name and email and the all new client account and ready with his separate login details, auto deliver on client email address. And the most important thing is we will manage customer support for you and your clients as well. Sounds amazing. Yeah, it is. So that's all about AI Agents Army. I am Atul Parikh, thanking you to being with me. See you on the Inside Members area.
Wow, wow, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know if you absolutely loved what you saw just right there. A full-on demo of a tool that is so ridiculously powerful, a whole army designed to scale your business. I'm just going to go ahead and share my screen back up here. Give it a second to show up. But if you've paid close attention, what you just saw is a one-stop shop to have automations take place where once you set the AI, hey, I want you to grow my Instagram account, it will repeat that process until the day it never dies because the AI is infinite. This is what's lacking with most AIs, if not all of them out there, where you have to come back and repeat the process, repeat all the prompts, do it over and over and over again. And if you want to do it for another niche or another product or another surface, or you want any slight deviation, you have to create a whole new prompt again. The AI army is so smart. It can take one action you asked it to do and apply that same action across all niches, all angles, and repeat it over and over and over again. If you say every Monday I come online, I want you to have a post ready for me to be published, and on top of that, I want a video. On top of that, I want an email sequence, an email broadcast of the day, and I want that every single time without fail. Then it's a standard operating procedure. I don't have to log into the AI again and create this and create that and open up that. It's going to have it ready for me over and over again. And that's just scratching the surface, because this is exactly how we've been able to scale YouTube accounts, Instagram accounts, short form content, long form content, social followings. Let me know if you absolutely love what you just saw right there. And again, do you see yourself getting tons and tons of more leads if you gave you this most powerful AI to get you profits, where it literally understands what you want to acquire, what your business is, and it puts together the processes in an automated standard operating procedure for you to be executed without fail. Again, a business without SOPs, without standard, boring, repeated, crucial, and revenue driving actions over and over and over again is a business that's just throwing stuff at the wall and nothing's really happening unless they feel like it or they're glued to their laptop. Don't make that mistake. Have an army at work for you, whether you like it or not. So I'm just gonna head over in the chat box here and see how you guys liked it. I say I need this today. I loved it. I love it. Let me marry it. You can't lose. I love it. I love it. Good walkthrough. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I love it. I love it. All of you will have the opportunity to not only grab it at an insane, and we'll talk more about that later, but insane, like I keep saying this, if you come to the live, it's the best thing you can do because you'll have an opportunity that's not available to people outside of the live. You literally have a separate page that we made it only for our live attendees. We'll talk more about that in a second. But more importantly, at least test drive this from the inside. Let it, if I recall correctly, all of you have at least like a 30-day guarantee. So let it run. Let it run for 29 days and see the impact on your business with your own eyes. That's the best way to experience it. Now, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for secret number one already. Automated AI cash flow. That's what it comes down to. You need to stop fumbling and wondering, what should I let AI do? I have all these AI tools. What can I do with it? Have the army at work. Don't think about it. Put them to work. I want my Instagram to grow. Boom, that's one. I want my YouTube channel to grow. All right, boss, we'll take care of it from here. We're going to repeat the processes until your Instagram is at the level that you're satisfied. And we don't stop until you stop us. There's no AI right now in the industry that really operates like that. Most AIs out there are just one-shot content creation tools or asset creation tools. And once you gave the prompt, once they deliver it, that's done. That's the end. You can't scale a business like that. Even though it's useful and it's faster than doing it yourself, it's not practical. And there's a faster and better way to do it to get the results that you're looking for. Now, with that being said, let's move on to secret number two, clients on demand 24/7. Because as you can understand, and you'll hear me say this a lot of times, whenever you do something for yourself and it's powerful and it's useful, and you want to make a lot of additional money, do it for clients as well, right? Now, you don't have to do that, but it's money that's up for grabs. Because you can use the AI army to work for you, but you can also walk up to anyone and say, hey, actually, I have a person that can do this for you, an AI that can do all of this for you. I can lend it to you for a couple of weeks or maybe 7 days. And if you like it, we can maybe discuss something where we do this on an ongoing basis, right? Coaches, affiliate marketers, agencies, bloggers, small businesses, influencers, e-commerce and niches, course vendors, you name it. You can have the AI grow their socials, grow their YouTube channel, run their ads, do whatever you want that client or that client needs, basically, have the AI do it for them. Now, when it comes to clients, we have full client training on the inside. I'm actually the one, once you have AI Army, I'm going to be helping you getting your first client. I'm going to do that live with you. So that's already something amazing to all of you are going to have a client. If you want to go the client route, obviously you want to use this for yourself first, but a spoiler alert, all of you are going to get your first client. We're going to do that together. But I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what that training will look like. Because getting clients right now, the reason why I'm able to make such a bold statement, because we've done it many, many times already for a lot of our clients or students, our users, getting clients right now has become the most easiest part of an online business, against contrary belief, where people think, oh, that's actually really hard to do. Well, the days of complicated time and budget consuming marketing methods to find clients are gone. We live in a completely different era right now where the clients are already out there wanting you to sell them, basically waiting for you to come and help them, right? And the sooner you realize this, the better. All the client cares about is, do you have something that can actually help them? Do you have something, and can you over deliver on that promise? Let me see if you're still with me. Who wants to know how we simply, the most simplest method, because with AI Army, we're so confident in our delivery, it's super easy for us to make a promise and go and deliver on that promise, make the client super happy. Who wants to know how to simply find paying clients on demand in as little as 3 to 5 minutes? Anyone, by applying what I'm about to show you next, can get any client for any type of service that you can fulfill, again, with the AI Army. Let me know in the chat box. Let's see. Show me, me. A client in real estate, most definitely. Halim says, why are my comments not seen during the speech of the organizer? Well, it's because I'm just going without fluff. I'm trying to keep up the presentation speed, but my bad. I will try and give a closer look to the chat. I do see you. So if you're commenting and I'm not mentioning your name, don't think I don't see you. I see you most definitely. It's just that I want to make this as time efficient for you as possible. So I'm not stopping with every single comment. But I love you guys. So with that being said, let me show you how to get some quick clients up and running. Super easy. It can get e-com sales, Marcia, anything you wanted to do. So let's say, here's as simple as it goes, right? I can go to LinkedIn or Facebook. What should we do, LinkedIn or Facebook? I'm going to pick Facebook for now, right? And let's say we're going to do, you should be seeing Facebook on my screen, right? And then let's say I want to pick up a client on I don't know, copywriting, right? Our AI army is one of the best copywriting armies in the game. All I have to do, ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to do any silly, secret, sneaky marketing methods or ads. It is so darn simple. Just the thing is, it's so simple that people forget that this is actually a possibility to pick up clients really easily. You can literally type in, I need copy. You press enter. You go to posts. You click on recent posts, right? I'm actually gonna write copywriter, so it's more specific. So again, go to posts, right? And look at this. 21 hours ago, hey, I need a blog writer. Anyone interested? Come in my inbox. DM me now. I need a client. Let's see. Fast writers needed urgently, right? Hiring a copywriter. Attention. I need a copywriter. I've sent over 40,000 emails in a few months. I made 0 sales. Who can help me? Guys, these are clients up for grabs. I need a copywriter for an online course, right? So if I like to put this on most recent. Hey, I need help copywriting for a women's brand. I'm willing to pay the most that I can, and or I can leave a video review in exchange for your expertise. Right here, 2 days ago, we're hiring multiple copywriters for a big marketing project we have coming up. Guys, these are easy to pick up jobs. Easy. I need a serious How long did it take me to find all these potential clients? How long did it take me? Less than 5 minutes, right? We're hiring, we're finding, we're looking. All we have to do is reach out with a sample. Say, hey, Ryan, right? I add Ryan as a friend. I say, Ryan, hey, Ryan, notice you're looking for a copywriter. Boom, you take the conversation, you show a sample of your work, and you're done. You do this to 10 people. One of them replies, you make the deal, you hop on a call, or you show proof of delivery, or show your work, and it's done, right? It's not that hard to pick up clients. People are begging, I need a freelance copywriter urgently. And guess what? If they need it once, they need it twice, they need it 3 times, they need it 4 times. Let me know if you like what you're seeing so far. I can do this with any type of service that I can deliver with the AI army. I need, let's say, design or content, right? Posts. Logo design needed 13 minutes ago. 13 minutes ago, Isaac saying, I need a logo. I'm willing to pay $100. Look at this. And the reason why these things get so little comments is because everyone's out there trying complicated marketing, shady methods, forgetting that the person that actually is looking for your service is also out there shouting and doesn't need any backdoor, secret, sneaky $1 million method to get approached. They're literally waiting with cash in their hand. Please come and deliver to me, right? Logo design needed, $60. Please, I need a beautiful design. This is too easy, right? If we do this today, we pick up right anywhere between $300 to $500, walk away with that, come back tomorrow, a whole bunch of new people every single day, every single hour. If I refresh in 10 minutes from now, I'll see new content, right? If I put this on recent posts, it will change it up. I'll see new people once again, right? It's too easy. I love this. So let me know in the chat box, guys. I can go on and on and on. I need video editor, I need copywriter, I need, or we're hiring. I can even type in that and then post, and you'll see a lot of content, a lot of people, again, asking, looking for people that you can serve with your service, right? Cold call or appointment setter. We even have the AI army that can help with that. We're hiring marketers. Guys, this is too easy. So with that being said, let me know in the chat box, do you understand how getting clients nowadays, honestly, it's just a matter of literally looking for the people that needs your help. They're already out there screaming, begging, shouting. And this is just a quick search on Facebook. I haven't even gone to LinkedIn. I haven't even used different keywords. Now, like I said, all of you that grab this today, you will have clients that will pay you at least $1,000 to $1,500 a month. Because if you grab the AI Army, I'll be showing you and holding your hand live, like I'm doing right now, but then obviously in a more elaborate setting, and we'll have a specific training dedicated to getting your first client live with me. We'll be sitting down and I'll show you the exact buttons to click, the exact message to send, the exact client to find for any niche, any service, any product, whether you're doing e-com, whether you're an affiliate, whether you're doing marketing services, how to use the AI Army to make you money in that manner. Let me know if you left that right there, and let me know if you can see how you can easily find clients on demand. Trust me when I say it is so darn easy to pick up a client. All you need is something that you can confidently deliver and over deliver with, which obviously the AI Army can do. Comment yes in the chat box if you see how it doesn't have to be that complicated at all. You don't have to post hour-long pieces of content. Anyone can pick up a client right now. And there's a whole lot more where that came from. We also have a client sniper method, which is a little bit more elaborate to show you, but really easy to apply as well. And I can't wait to show you that once you have AI agents already. But let me know in the chat box, do you see how you can easily find clients on demand and over deliver using your AI Army? And if you've done, then we've successfully closed out a secret number 2. I'm just going to go ahead and check the chat box real quick. See lots of yeses flying in. This is so cool. Awesome. I need to learn. I'll let you. Oh, you'll learn all about it. We're going to turn you into a rock star. And obviously, we're going to use the AI Army first to build your own business, build your brand. And then while you're doing that, we're going to go ahead and do it for other people so you can get that cash flow coming in as well. You can use that cash flow to fuel your business even more, or just spend it on whatever you like. Because at the end of the day, that's why you're really an entrepreneur, to have that freedom, to be able to have that choice of making money and doing whatever you like with it, because you have that peace of mind that you're delivering, people are happy, and they're paying you, preferably recurringly, for your offers and services. We're going to make sure you have a client that loves to pay you every single month, because you have a delivery mechanism that without fail keeps repeating the same revenue driving processes that your client is looking for in their business. Time is money. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know if you absolutely love that. It's an easy peasy. What about sales for products? Same story. I'm definitely going to walk, once you have the AI Army, each Army veteran, I should say, in the AI has its own specific mechanism on what it's trained to do. If you want product sales, if you want e-com sales, if you want to increase the conversions of your dropshipping store, if you want to sell the heck out of an affiliate offer, the Army is designed to focus on that and that alone, and it's going to create a workflow specifically to do just that. Again, something that's lacking with a lot of other AIs. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I can sit here all day long, and literally we could make a lot of money on this call alone if we would have like a 2-3 hour training, and just everyone has an account and we sit down and just all go to work in our accounts live. And that's especially something we're doing on the inside. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and take it to the instant results, because let's say this never seen before AI pretty much lets anyone create an absolute wildly profitable business from scratch with hardly any effort in just minutes. The reason is because this AI is built in a fashion where it does not depend on your consistent manual input, which is the key difference from other AIs. Now, it's all within 3 simple steps. Number 1, you create an AI Army and decide the steps. You say, hey, I want to grow my Instagram account. I want to grow my YouTube account. I want to grow my website. I want to service this client. I want whatever you want. I want product sales. I want e-com sales. I want affiliate sales. You decide what the goal of the Army is. You're the commander. You're the CEO. Now, next, you configure the Army steps. Right, guys, how are we going to make this happen? Well, first, I want you to create a tweet every single time for my Twitter. Then I want you to repeat that process and turn that tweet into a post for Facebook, Insta, and other socials. Then on top of that, I want the next command to use that Facebook post and turn it into a full blog. Now, I want you to create from that blog a 5-minute video script using those previous steps. Now, on top of that, I want a YouTube video with the descriptions. Then I want a PowerPoint. And then from there, I want you to do this automation for other niches, maybe for your clients or for yourself, which is organic farming, football, and cosmetics. And after that, I want you to automate and continue this process to do it over and over again. This is how AI should truly operate at its peak performance, instead of write me a social blog post, done, and it stops there. This is an army at work, a workflow, and businesses are built on workflows and standard operating procedures. Now, after that, secret number 3 is to just automate the hundreds of tasks or that specific task, and you can do it for hundreds of other tasks as well. If you want to consistently have websites and funnels created, sales video scripts, images, attention grabbing social posts, high converting emails, a daily broadcast, best images and videos for stock, like anything you need or want can be created over and over and over again on autopilot. So if we hold your hand, because I can't wait to, if it's up to me, we all go and do the live training right now. I'm really excited to do the live training because that's where we're really going to bring you the results. If we hold your hand, which is literally what we're going to do, and show you how to profit, not just use this, but actually make money, actually get people saying, hey, I want to work with you, or I want to buy your product, or I want to buy your service, whatever you're selling is, because we have people in different niches, different industries. If we actually hold your hand and get you to that level live with a specialized AI marketing army who wants to know everything you're getting today as part of the special webinar deal. And when I say special webinar deal, I'm talking a webinar deal that is only available on this particular webinar. Outside of this webinar, you will never see this, as if this have never existed. Comment yes in the chat box if you want to be included in the special webinar deal. And if you comment yes, you're going to be able to access this at a price that is unparalleled to anything or anyone else that'll be able to grab this that wasn't smart enough to show up to the live webinar. So let's see. I see yeses flying in. Show me, show your cards. Yes. We got Lael, Akana, Lynn, Will, Halim, Mauricio, Tony, Neil, Mubenga, Michael, Marcia, Lloyd, Mark, Chalk, or Chak. Sorry, brother. Ken, Halim, Evans, Johnny, Dennis, Mike, Lori, Carlos, Corin, Dennis, and Anthony. Vincent's here as well. William, the whole town. Tom, Kim, and Peter. I love it. You guys are freaking amazing. All right, let me show you everything you're getting here today. And again, this is a deal that is unheard of, right? I want you to know that, because we have created a separate offer page. Normally we just have one offer page, everyone goes to the same page. Now we've decided to create a separate offer page just for the live webinar on the 21st here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a page. So let me go ahead and drag this onto the screen here. Give me 1 second, because we need to activate this page live. We want to make sure nobody else can access this link. Nobody else can access this page other than us or the people on the live webinar. So there we go. I think it's here. And the great thing is, all of you on this webinar will also get a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to easily and simply be able to test drive this like there is no tomorrow. So you should be able to see it on the screen right now. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Boom, there we go. Right? So this offer won't be available later, only right now. So here's what, and again, the 30-day money-back guarantee is specifically for you guys on the webinar, so you feel confident and at ease that you can at least test drive this, right? So we have people saying never going back to ChatGPT ever. This AI on steroids, the big daddy of ChatGPT and Google Bard. It is absolutely crazy how powerful this is. It finishes hundreds of marketing tasks in seconds, saves you money, you can make money with commercial license. It's easy to create. It's like Iron Man's Jarvis. Imagine the level of multi-level automation. I'm talking about one workflow. Imagine having 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10 workflows all working at the same time to fuel your business to the moon, right? Hundreds of AI agents, like it's an army of agents. It's the next level of ChatGPT. So for those of you that know ChatGPT, for reasons I've mentioned before, and it's not just ChatGPT, and I don't want to speak ill of any other AIs or any other vendors, because there are some really powerful AIs on the market. Some of them I use myself as well. But the fact of the matter is, you need to keep giving the input, and it's only as good as the user. There's no automation, right? And you need to be good at giving the prompts. Now, the thing with the AI army is, once it has gone through the workflow, it's now a standard operating procedure. and they continue doing this until you have hundreds of thousands of followers. They do not stop. So we already ran through an example of this on how this works. So what I want to show you, I mean, you can do anything, right? It can do so much. You can create agents for any task in seconds. The lead generation strategy of the agents is particularly powerful. You can get millions of free targeted leads from Google. As a matter of fact, who here loves free traffic? I, for one, if you know me, you know I'm all about free traffic. That's something we're going to talk about heavily as well. For those of you that grab this, when you come onto the live training, we're going to make sure everyone has free traffic in overload. But let me know who here loves free traffic, because number 13 right here, that's one of the specialties of the AI army, going to town and working like a dog, or like an AI, I should say, to get you traffic over and over again to your content, to your funnels, to your website. It is absolutely insane, and how much work it takes out of your hands. It creates workflows and multi-agents for multiple tasks in seconds, and you finally start operating as a business, a way a business should operate, with standard operating procedures happening that fuel the growth of your enterprise. So I'm just going to quickly show you everything you're getting today. You get tons and tons of crazy AIs, all dedicated to your army, making sure anything that you're looking for from top to bottom for yourself or for your clients, you can deliver on. So instead of going through all of those, I just want to show you specifically what you're getting. So next to access, obviously, to the entire AI army, because you're on this webinar, you're going to get the AI Agents Elite. Now, what does this mean, the Army Elite? You remove all the limitations to go unlimited. So some of you might have seen on the demo as well, there were credits, meaning, oh, if the credits run out, you have to top up again. And preferably, I don't like to be capped when it comes to stuff like this. I want to be freely and unlimitedly be able to produce. And that's something I definitely advise you to have as well. Now, normally you have to pay recurringly for this. Because you're on the live webinar, remember we made a separate page for our live webinar users only. You have the elite version immediately unlocked without any recurring payments, allowing you to create unlimited workspaces, unlimited templates, unlimited super converting content pieces, unlimited AI text to images, unlimited AI logo banners, unlimited text to GIFs, thousands of niche specific templates, unlimited stunning social media images and mockups, unlimited image to image, unlimited army agents, unlimited folder management, transform any keyword into masterpieces. You get all of these benefits at a price that is not available to anyone else anywhere else. And you can auto subscribe your leads that the AI is generating to a webinar or to a specific list, and you streamline. This is the big thing, guys. This is the big thing. I can't tell you how many times, because we do a lot of consulting as well. When I do one-on-one consulting, I'm ask a person, all right, so what is your current marketing flow? What is the workflow of your current marketing processes? And there isn't any. They're just doing things at random here and there. And I get it. I've been there as well, where every day you kind of see what you're going to do. Maybe you're going to make a Facebook post. You're going to maybe work a little bit on your website, watch a webinar. Like, there's no real operations going on. And that's where businesses fail to actually grow. It isn't until you have a workforce applying the same consistent revenue driving actions on autopilot for you that your business starts growing regardless. Every day it produces content. Every day it writes copy. Every day it sends emails. Every day it drops videos. It's an automated workflow, something that other AIs can do, which is the automation and consistency. So I'm really excited about that for you, because I know everyone that has the army working for them is going to be an inevitable success story. So that alone is worth 197 recurringly, normally, if you get that. Now, on top of that, the enterprise level, this will allow you to 10x your profits, because the AI, you'll be able to rebrand the army and make it like yours, right? You can set up a welcome message on your own branded bot. You can set up a trigger response based on the chat funnel. So this is where you unlock the bot features. You can set up thank you page at the end of a conversation, auto pop-up lead collection from the chatbot as well. So the chatbot in particular is really, really powerful. You'll be able to unlock that in the enterprise level. You can strengthen your relationship by having a CRM as well. The integrations will be unlocked there in the enterprise level. You have time-based chat initiation. You have keyword trigger responses. This is one that I really love. So it can be like, hey, DM me the word book to get my free book, or comment this to get this, right? That's what easily triggers people to go ahead and have a low barrier of entry to then have the AI go in and do its job by delivering and starting a conversation. And it's all encrypted for free, SSL encryption, so it's completely safe and encrypted messaging back and forth. And that also gives that security to your clients and to your prospects. So let me know if you're loving this so far, the enterprise and the elite version. And there's a whole lot more where that came from, because those of you that are going to grab this on the webinar in particular, you're going to get the agency level. And the agency level is by far one of the most powerful ones, because you'll be able to run an AI Agents Army agency where you can rebrand the entire AI agents and have your own logo there. Have the whole thing designed as if this is your army software, right? You can serve unlimited clients, nice and neat and organized. You can manage your entire team. You've customized business management tools, dedicated support from us. We'll actually have we have right now, I think about, last time I checked, on standby, at least 182 of staff members ready to be your dedicated account manager. So these are people that are linked to your account whenever you need something. They're just one click away, ready to serve you and your clients. And again, all of this at an unparalleled price because you're on the live webinar. So I'm going to ask it again. Let me know, are you loving this so far? Let me check the chat box real quick. If you're still with me, I see lots of yeses. Yes, yes, yes. Amazing. I love it. Me, yes, yes, yes. Awesome. You guys are on fire. Lots of yeses coming in. Johnny, Doug, Mark, Mubenga, Vincent, Tom, Corin, Ronald. I love it. Michael's asking, is there a niche that this wouldn't work for? No, it works across the board for all niches. For all niches. Nat just says, I want the link now. I love it so far. All right, so we're almost there. I do want to give you the link because I can't wait to hold the live training with you. We're just going to sit down and make a ton of money together. That's, for me, that's the most fun part. It's just everyone has, because not, right now I'm the one that has access, you don't. I want all of us to have access so we can sit down and all apply the same method in real time and all walk away with tons of money, having a client, having engagement, having subscribers. That's where the real fun plays. At least for me, that's what I'm really looking forward to do with you. So therefore, let me go through this a little bit faster. You have a complete content marketing agency that you can set up in 3 simple steps. You can add a new client. I'm going to show you that on the live training as well. Accept monthly payments and keep 100% of the profits. And we did all the hard work for you. We invested a lot of money to get this disruptive done-for-you technology ready, where you have a done-for-you content AI army, which is an agency on its own that you can deploy into any business, right? And the way you can easily sell this is, hey, we want to take over your content for the next 14 days. Take that ease off your shoulder. If you like us, you only pay us if you like us down the road, right? It's a really easy offer positioning, especially if someone is already looking to pay someone to do their content. I'm going to show you where to find those people and how to easily approach them. I mean, this is guaranteed money in the bank when you can deliver like this. When you have an offer that is a high delivery, you're confident in that delivery, and then you know where the people are that need that service, you can't lose, right? That's exactly what's going to be done for you with the people that grab the AI army. So on top of that, you're going to get a crazy bonus, the AI Agents Army reseller, where you'll be able to resell the AI Agents Army accounts to your clients in just one click and keep 100% of the profits. And this thing sells like hotcakes. You'll be able to sell it to a hungry audience. You can start your own profitable software business from day one. You create outsourcer accounts to grow your business. We're going to walk you through all of that as well. Create and manage multiple client projects. You share data smoothly with one-click sharing to anyone, and you take your business to the next level without huge investment. So whenever someone's looking for content services, you can also tell them, hey, I can actually have a software. You can claim it as my own software. So you have the white label. I actually have my own software where we have an AI army. And army just sounds really strong, right? Instead of just AI, they're like, oh yeah, there are tons of AIs. But when you use the words AI army, they're like, oh, this is powerful. I have an AI army that pretty much creates all of our content for us. I can show you how it works. So I create an account for you. There's nobody that's going to say no. There's nobody that's going to say no, right? Again, we have a full delivery framework where you can build and release this and really make 4,000 a week at ease by selling just 4 pieces of this. And again, the clients are already out there. You just don't know where and how to find them. But that's when we show up on the live training, and you show up on the live training, or you decide to watch the recording, that's fine too. But I prefer you to be there live so I can hold your hand, answer your questions, and show you how on demand you can have a client standing in line ready to pay you over and over again, because you have such a powerful tool that can serve them. Not only that, you can obviously use the AI Agents Army as well to grow your own business. Maybe you have a productized business where you're selling an affiliate offer, maybe a course or some other service. You just want to sell more of that instead of doing it for other clients, then just as well, the same applies. Let the army do the work for you. So now let me go ahead and recap real quick everything you're getting today, because you're getting the whole lot. Number one, you're going to get the AI Army software access. Now, on top of that, because you're on this webinar, you're also immediately going to get upgraded to the elite level where you have no cap on anything. You have unlimited access. You have the enterprise account where the chatbots are unlocked, the white label branded chatbots, which are extremely, I've seen a lot of chatbots, obviously, over time. Chatbots been around, but since the evolution of AI, I haven't seen some chatbots that have redeveloped themselves, right? Most chatbots I see are the same like any other chatbots I've seen since 2018. AI is so much smarter, more powerful right now. The chatbots should be as well. So that's what I love about AI Army. The chatbots is on a whole different level. The features on a whole different level. The way it's able to take your audience by the hand and really turn them into a paying client is so flawless. On top of that, you have the reseller unlocked just because you're on this live webinar. Now, like I said, if you're on the live webinar, you always get the biggest bang for your buck. So comment bonus in the chat box. Comment bonus in the chat box if you want the webinar only bonus uploaded into your AI Agent Army account. Comment bonus in the chat box if you want the AI Agent bonus uploaded into your account. So only for the people that are here, that are live, that prove to be live by commenting bonus. I see Marina, I see Wayne, Luri, Mauricio, Halim, Daryl, Carlos, Wilfredo, Chuck, Michael, Michelle, Maris, Dennis, Anthony, Jens, and Mark, and Ken, Milin, Thomas here as well, Doug, Praful, Tony, awesome, Jermel, I love it, Karen and Derek are here, Johnny is here, Joe is here, Neil's here, Brian, amazing, amazing, amazing. All right, JP, Alcana, Mark, Edward, Antonia. All right, I will leave you guys. I'll let the chat team make sure to take a note of that, because they're the ones that are going to align all of your comments with the people. They have a brilliant system of doing that. So first of all, the first bonus you're going to get is the live training, right? I've been mentioning it over and over again. What we're going to do, normally this is a separate training, a high ticket training. It's usually a back end upsell where, as a marketer, you have a front end product and then a higher ticket back end. So for us, that training is like, well, you got the product now. How about we hold your hand and do it with you? That's kind of the back end high ticket. Now, we said the people that show up on the live, they don't have to buy that additionally. We're actually going to give that away for free. So you can pretty much guarantee yourself getting clients, because you'll be able to hop on a call with us and then see live how you can use the AI Agents Army together with us on screen and go from 0 to 10K a month, just like we do for ourselves, for our clients, for our students, on a live training, right? And a live training is going to be me as well. So if you like my teaching style, if you like the way this webinar is conducted, then I'm pretty sure you're going to absolutely love how we're going to do that training. Now, on top of that, you're going to get an additional video training on how to start an online business. This is more for the beginners that are getting their feet wet and just want to have good traffic. We notice a lot of people are struggling with getting leads, getting traffic. That particular training is going to show you how to really flawlessly set up an online business, get the AI Army to work for you. Just have the bare bone basics and fundamentals in place to start off great. Now, on top of that, you get a training on how to run your agency. You also get a training on calls with the creator. So meaning we have Atul and Jay Sharma, the powerhouse entrepreneurs. I mean, guys, these are $1 million software developers and entrepreneurs. They're speaking live. They are have a high consulting fee as well. And they are so graceful that most developers, you never really get to speak with the big, the man, the brainchild or the man behind it, right? You only get to see videos or recordings or whatnot. They're actually coming to speak with you live, answer your questions, welcome you, congratulate you with your purchase, show you all the powerful features and tools, and personally address you by first name and telling you, hey, here's what you should do, here's what I recommend for you. Really taking the time to make sure you've made the best investment of your life, because you're going to see the results as you wanted, as you intended to, with an army doing it for you. So I'm even attending those calls myself, because even though I know a lot and I've seen a lot of success, I know for a fact Jay Sharma and Atul Parikh are next level entrepreneurs that have so much experience that just one piece of advice alone can turn your business by 10x, right? So it's really powerful right there. You get access to the Facebook community, really awesome community there too, and an additional secret training on how to boost your revenue. Now, normally these are all separate courses, and especially the live calls are separate things you have to buy. These are now included as a bonus. So if you want those bonuses and you haven't commented bonus in the chat box yet, make sure you do, because it's only for the people that prove to be here live. And the only way to prove that is by commenting bonus in the chat box right now. Now, on top of that, what you're also going to get access to is an extremely discounted deal, right? Which is kind of another bonus, right? So you're going to get the special webinar bonus, the Reseller Unlock, the enterprise account, the elite level account, and the software access. Now, here's the thing. The total investment to equip your business with a personal AI army would come to about $12,000. Now, usually we have a lot of people that we have a sales team, obviously, to take a call with our corporate clients as well, to take a call. We have a separate funnel where we show them, hey, fuel your business with AI, let an army grow your business. Corporate client hops on a call, or sales team shows them the AI army, shows an example of how it would work for them, and they put 12,000 up, right? Now, I want you to understand that you won't have to pay anywhere near that, but you are getting the equivalent of that as if you're a corporate client as well. So that's the investment we're releasing to the general public. Now, you will get a special order page, a page we created specifically for the live webinar. Not even for the recording, right? Because we'll have a recording presentation. That even will have a separate page. I'm going to talk more about that in a second. So we figured for the live webinar, we're going to make it $997, which, let me know in the question, do you think $997 is a huge discount already from $12,000 from what it was? That is an insane discount already. And we have no problem charging this, because with an army, we've proved this already ourselves many times, and you'll see a lot of case studies on the inside, a lot of trainings on how certain results happen using the AI army and the workflow. You can make $997 as many times as you want when you have an army working for you. So we have no problem actually charging this, knowing for a fact, once the army is up and running, which is pretty much instant, that money can be made over and over again. But even that, we are not going to do. We're going to make sure, because you were smart enough to show up to the live, right? We're going to drop it down all the way from 12,000 to 997, all the way down to 317. I got one question right now. Do you think that is a massive discount from our corporate clients? Number one, to speak with Jay Sharma on a tool themselves, to get access to the live training on how to go from 0 to 10K, which is a 997 high ticket backend training on its own, which is taught live. You're literally getting thousands of dollars of worth of value, practical value, not just fluff and bonuses and things that just take up hardware space, but actual hand holding and assistance to guarantee your results, plus a 30-day money back guarantee. Do you think 317 is a massive discount from 12,997 to 997 and 317? Let me know in the chat box. See lots of yeses flying in. Amazing. That's crazy. Massive. Absolutely, says Kerry. I see Daryl, William, Adam, Tony, Michelle, Wayne, Praful. I love it. Praful said, what's the next number? Now, here's the thing. Normally, this is where the webinar stops, right? 317, to be fair, is the lowest as we go. It's the webinar special deal. It's a massive discount already, and it's more than worth for what you're getting here today. I mean, just the talk alone, having some advice alone from Jay, from Atul, from us, we charge more than that for a single hour, right? So you're literally getting the biggest bang for your buck. And again, this is for our live audience. Now, I want you to understand, since you're on the live, we've decided to create a separate page. I know I said it many times before, but now I'm really going to explain what that means. Meaning, normally, this is where the presentation would stop. 317, big discount, comment, and it will send you the link. For the next 50 people that are on the live webinar, I'm talking this one right now, the one you're listening to, that goes for all of you right now, we're going to do something additional. Normally, if you were watching the replay, you wouldn't see this slide. It would already be cut off here, and it would end on a previous, we'll have a backend that's re-recorded and would stop at the 317. We want to reward you for showing up live. The people that show up live, you are the most dedicated and our most loyal. And we want to make sure we show our gratitude towards that, and we give you something in return. So as the webinar special live deal, we have some secret slides that you will unlock by staying up until this point. Because you promised to stay until the end, we're going to follow through. Who wants an additional discount, bringing it down all the way to 267, a price that is unseen by anyone else? This is a secret additional slide that is only unlocked on a live webinar. If you want that, comment live discount in the chat to prove that you're here live, to prove that you've seen this slide, and we'll send you a special coupon code and the separate sales page link that unlocks the secret pricing only for our live attendees. If you want the big discount, I have an army grow your business for you, but more importantly, have Jay, Atul, me hold you by the hand and guarantee you the craziest results you could have ever dreamed of before by just tweaking and putting an army to work for you, where you grow your business, grow your socials, grow your audience, grow your traffic, and generate lead flow and clientele. Comment live discount in the chat right now. We're going to send you a link that nobody else can get their hands on. Comment live discount in the chat. And guys, this is only right now while we're live, and we won't be live for much longer. So it's really first come, first served. And as a matter of fact, this is only for the first 50 people. I remember we're way more than 50 people last time I checked in this house. So if you wanted, comment live discount. As soon as you comment live discount, the team will drop a very special link. I see they're putting it together right now. So team, if I can actually ask you, as soon as the link is ready, all the people that commented live discount, can you make it publicly available in the chat for them, the link with the coupon, right? And again, only for the people that commented live discount. So I know you have a setting where you can take care of that. And all the people that comment live discount, make sure that they can see the special link with the coupon code and send them to the webinar only, the live webinar only page, not the generic page we have. So just bringing that over to the team. And guys, as soon as that link is ready, I see they're preparing it right now on the back end. Let me chat with them here as well. As soon as that is ready, guys, my best advice is rush over to the page, apply the coupon code, and then I'll see you on the inside, where I can't wait to have a live training with you. And on that live training, it's going to be me again. I hope you're not sick and tired of my voice. But on that live training, we're going to sit down and we're going to do one thing and one thing alone, and that's to make money. I mean, after you in, all I care about is you making money. That's my only objective moving forward. Because the more you win, the more we win. Because the moment you say AI agents or AI army changed my life, that's the moment we win, right? This part here is not where we're winning. The win is in you getting result, because then we can get listed, we can get Forbes articles again, we can go ahead and get in the disruptive industry content, we can be known for the #1 AI, and that's what we're aiming for right now, being the #1 AI. We're not another tool, we're not another asset creator, another ChatGPT. We're an army. We want to make that known, that there's no AI out there that automates your workflow like AI Agents Army. An army that does one thing and one thing alone, dedicated to your command. You're the commander, you're the chief, you're the CEO, and that's how you should run your business, instead of being just another workhorse trying to work together with an AI to prompt it and do what you want. That's still just manual labor. So if you love the sound of that, I want to invite you to at least, you have a 30-day money back guarantee, you got nothing to lose, to at least go ahead and give this a shot. Attend the training, show up to the live call with Jay, Atul, with me, with an account, and let's log in and let's build your workflows. Let's look at your business. Let's look at what you're trying to accomplish. And let's hold your hand and dominate. If you ask me, 267 is a really small price to pay to have that finally be taken care of, instead of running around in circles wondering how you can finally get things to work. If you like the sound of that, go ahead, comment live discount in the chat to get a massive discount. And as soon as you've done that, what I want you to do is let me know in the chat box that you're in, because we're going to unlock some additional special bonuses that are only available to the people that show up and say that they have gotten this on the live webinar. So I also want to congratulate you and welcome you to the AI Army family. So let me go ahead and go to the chat box right now. I see people saying live discount again. Team, can you make sure, please drop it in the public chat. Do me a favor, drop in the public chat with the coupon code. Because I see you didn't include the coupon code. So team, please drop the coupon code alongside it. I know that's a secret one, it's a hidden one, so we're not just giving it out freely, but please drop that in the chat box as well. And for all I can see, when you click on the link, so I'm actually going to put it on screen for those of you so you can see along. When you click on the link right here, it takes you right here, it's immediately discounted, right? So Great thing, great work by the team. They already added the discount in. The coupon code is integrated in, so you don't have to manually import it. The coupon code is right here, and boom, there you go. It's all taken care of. Now, I do want to add and be transparent. We wouldn't be great marketers if we didn't add an additional optional. I do want to add in that it's optional to have a mega bundle deal where we have some additional really powerful tools. And again, if you're a marketer, if you're a producer, this is the stuff you need to do as well, right? We practice what we preach. We're not shy about it. We don't hide away from it. Like, hey, AI Army is absolutely powerful. At least get that and show up to the live calls with me. And even if you don't show up, it's still going to work perfectly for you. But if you want to go a little bit the extra mile and just have things said and done and invest in something that you know for a fact is going to get you results, you also might need your one-click landing page website to sell AI agents. We've got that taken care of. Our social media post scheduler, we also got that taken care of. Our traffic software, and this is a big one because a lot of people, especially beginners, struggle with getting traffic. And we created a specific software that siphons traffic from YouTube for your websites. Millions of views from YouTube for your websites. If this is something you're interested in or at least wants to test drive, then definitely just click the box. Don't think any further. Click the box and then go ahead. And the discount is still included. Obviously, put in your email. Boom. Choose PayPal or credit. Click the box, and then you get the whole 9 yards. You also get a done for you viral news site that makes viral news about your AI agents in seconds. This is a really powerful one. And by the way, this is only available for the live people, right? We're going beyond for you guys. We can't do this for everyone because these are pretty much custom made, or there's a rotator that only selects a variation of a couple, so not everyone has the same one. Landing page and website builder included, done for you marketplace to sell AI agents, the VIP live training on how to create an AI agent like a pro, a VIP live training additionally on how to sell them. So this is just additional powerhouse stuff to really drive things home. 2 million plus done for you books, 50,000 blog articles. I mean, you can't go wrong here. We're giving you the powerhouse set. Again, this is an optional upgrade. We wouldn't be marketers if we didn't add this in and sweeten the deal. Regardless of that, I don't want you to feel, oh, if I don't get this, it's all in vain. No, just make sure, if anything, you get AI Agents Army. For me, that's the most important. If you happen to get the upgrade as well, the mega bundle, that's all the better. But if not, I still love you and I want to see you on the live training, or at least go and watch the recording after live training is done, because having an AI Army work for you, the moment this webinar is done, you can log in, have the army start working for you, and finally see your numbers grow. Attention on your business, eyeballs on your business, people standing in line, emails going out, the list being built. It is such a beauty to witness the numbers going up. Sometimes I'm just in the dashboard refreshing all over again, because I just see the number changing and I'm just addicted to it. So if you want to get that same high, definitely go ahead and grab this right now. The link is once again in the chat box. The coupon code is already applied to the link. And again, this is only available right now while we're live, meaning in moments from now, this special deal will vanish in thin air. When I say vanish in thin air, is you won't see this same page in the same way with these same bonuses just for you guys, right? Again, we want to make it special for our live webinar users. We want to make it special for the people that could have been doing anything right now. You could have been sleeping. You could have been going outside. You could have said, you know what? I'm not going to show up today. But guess what? You did. And 90%, or I should say 80% of the work as an entrepreneur is just showing up. That's 80% of the work, is showing up. And that's what you've done here today. And therefore, you get the biggest bang for your buck. So I'm super, super excited for you. I see a lot of people joined in already. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and congratulate you. So if you haven't mentioned that you're in already, go ahead and drop it in the chat box so I can welcome you to the AI Army family. And let me tell you what, if you're not in, you're going to miss out, because every single one that is, we're going to take you by the hand and turn you into rock stars by having an AI fuel and grow your business, whether you like it or not. Whether you're sleeping, whether you're awake, whether you're working, whether you're not working, the AI Army is doing everything in its power to get you leads, to get you sales, to get you recognition, to get your product sales. It's going to work like a dog while you are taking a beauty sleep or doing whatever you love to do. And every day you open up your dashboard, you see more lead flow, more commissions, more sales, more clients. And if anything, we're going to make sure of it by hopping on live, holding you by the hand, and doing all of it together. So I'm super excited about that. And that's actually what I'm more excited about than this webinar, is just doing this presentation together once again when we have an account, all of us, because then you can talk the same language. When I say, hey, use John's army to create this prompt right here, and then automate this workflow to make sure your Twitter is every day growing and growing and growing. Once your Twitter is growing, let's take your best performing Twitter post and turn that into short form content pieces right here. Now we can work together and build your business like a madman, right? So I'm super, super excited. I should say X now, right? It's not called Twitter anymore, but nonetheless, let me go to the chat box real quick. Let's see. Mega bundle, awesome. Yeah, if you want the mega bundle, again, on the page, there is a special button. Just click it. Again, it's completely optional, but I will tell you, once you have that, you're unstoppable. You're a force to reckon with. You will actually have to put in additional effort to try and fill. Let me tell you what I mean by that. You would have to really try hard, pray, work to try and feel, really put your emphasis on, I'm going to try my best and make this not work. And maybe you'll fail, because the chances of success are so high, so inevitable, it's ridiculous when you have the mega bundle as well. You're set up for success regardless. That's how it's built out. That's how the army operates. That's how the training inside there is. It's copy paste. You don't have to do a lot of thinking. So I hope you like that. But again, even if regardless of the bundle, still make sure you have the army to start growing your business with a workflow, instead of having just tools and AIs that require a lot of manual work on the road. So I hope you're excited about that. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put up a timer. Like I said, this is very special, limited time deal. When I say limited, I'm talking for the next 5 minutes or less, right? This will be available. And after these 5 minutes are done, what's going to happen is you won't be able to see that page. You won't be able to get that again. So let me actually go ahead and put this on the screen as well. And then I can't have them both at the same time, huh? So let me actually go about this a little bit different. And again, for the fast action bonuses, what you're getting right here, as you can see, this offer won't be available later. All these things that you're seeing, the 497 training, the 297 training, the 997 call with the creator, Jay Sharma, and Atul Parikh, brilliant marketers. You can't get the $67 a month training on how to run your agency. This is normally a recurring training. The 197, the $1,000 back-end high-ticket training, it's all gone, right? It won't be available after this webinar. I do want to stress that. So if anything, grab this with a 30-day money-back guarantee and give it a spin, see how you like it, give it a judgment from the inside out so you can truly see, hey, is this the best decision I've ever made? And I know for a fact it will be. So with that being said, all you have to do is get the AI Agent Army, go to the link in the chat box. If you missed the link, simply go ahead and click it again, all right? Or team, can you drop the link one more time for me, please? As the timer is still ticking, and within the next, I think 4 minutes or so, 3 minutes and 42. Let me actually put that on the screen so you guys know what the timer is like, right? That's the annoying thing about a Mac, is you can't always have two things at the same time in full screen, or I just don't know how to do that, right? So let me put that here, boom. And then I'm gonna drag this on, right? This is a way to do it. And then here, and you scroll down, we got our 3 minutes left. So guys, what I will tell you in the next 3 minutes, the deal of a lifetime, the opportunity to have the mentorship, the hand holding, but more importantly, an AI that understands a workflow, will be gone with the wind. At least you won't be able to get it at 267 anymore, which is a steal, especially if you have a 30-day money-back guarantee to simply test drive it from the inside out. That's the bare minimum you should and can do. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, do not hesitate. If there's any question, if there's anything holding you back, if you're wondering about anything, go ahead and ask it in the chat. That's what we're here for, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask the team, because I know we only have a limited amount of licenses as well. I'm going to stop the timer here real quick here, which gives you a little bit of bonus time. But team, can you please drop for me in the chat how many, because I know we have 50 special coupons, right? How many do we got left? Because I don't want to keep the 267 on screen if we don't have a 267 coupon anymore. So team, can you kindly drop to me in the chat how many coupons there are left as well. All right. So in the meanwhile, while we do that, let me go ahead and do something real quick here. All right, I see. Okay, they're counting. I see they're counting. And guys, again, if you have any questions, do not freaking hesitate, right? Ask, because I would hate for you to miss out on something that is bound to grow your business. Bound to grow your business. Right. So give me 1 second here to check with the team if we're all good there. Let's see coupons. We have what we have. Okay. Um. Okay, I'm back, guys. I bought you some bonus time just now, so I just had to check with the team, and from what I can tell, I think they're already on. Where's the chat box with the team here? 7 coupons left, and we're right now 7 coupons left. That is crazy. So, guys, if you're still not in, what does this mean? There's 7, if not 6 now, coupons left that are waiting with your name on it for a reason. The least you could do is go ahead and actually test drive it from the inside out. Now, what I also want you to understand is that you will most likely never see an opportunity like this again, because there's pretty much no other AI that has this together. And even if there is, they won't hold you by the hand like we're going to do, right? You're going to speak to the founder. I don't know if you know a lot about Jay Sharma. The man has been interviewed on the Forbes listing, on the Times. He's been on TV. I mean, the man knows a thing or two about how to make money online. And that's just one person. I'm talking a tool, which I had a short conversation with in Dubai, and I can tell you just one piece of advice that he shares with you can change your entire business overnight into making additional income. So those pieces of advice alone, those pieces of value alone that's included with this is already far more worth the price. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put the timer on full screen real quick. So let me go here. All right. Boom and boom. So we got about 1 minute left, which means the last minute. If you have any questions, once again, let me know. I'm going to go ahead and welcome the new people. There are tons of new people, and from what I can tell, I believe there are only 4 coupons left. So the 3 new people just came in. Congratulations to you. If you have any questions still, do let me know. All right. So the last 2 coupons already, guys. I just want to say congratulations. I'm gonna scroll down real quick. Edward is super interested. How does the 297? How do I get it? So basically, there's a link. Team, can you drop the link one last time in the chat box for me, please? Because I see a few people wondering, and the timer is at about 5 seconds. I'm gonna stop the timer right here. Can you put the link? Oh, there they go. Okay, so I'm gonna break this down one last time. You put the link in the chat box, right? You put the link in the chat box, or we've put the link in the chat box, I should say. We've put the link in the chat box. Now from there, you click on it. There's a specific coupon code that is already integrated with the link. So when you click on the link, the coupon code, just because you're on the live webinar, outside of this webinar, you won't be able to get this big of a bang for your buck. Just because you're on this live webinar, what's going to happen is you get a specific coupon, you get additional bonuses. It's dropped down to 267. You have no recurring fees, which is insane because the people outside of this webinar, there's one recurring fee of $67 a month, if I recall correctly, and then we have the $197 annually. So you're free from all of those shackles, or I should say, margin killers, I like to call them, where you have continuous costs on them, and that's only for you, right? And even though it's well worth it, you won't have to pay a dime for it. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna turn up the timer And that means you have 5 seconds left. I do want to congratulate one more time everybody that's in. I see Will just got in. Will, massive congratulations to you. Lori saying, and this is actually a good question to address. Lori saying, I don't have a business, but would like to build one. Can this help me? Let me just say this first and foremost. I'm so happy that you asked this, Lori. That is all the more reason you should get this, especially if you're an absolute beginner. You don't really have a business, you don't really have an offer, you're at the stages where you just don't really know what you need to do, what you want to sell even. That is all the more reason you need an AI army at work, because at that stage it is crucial for you to have this level of expertise working for you, building your offer for you, and marketing and teaching you marketing at the same time. If you're doing that on your own right now in this day and age, it is absolutely a nightmare, right? Having an AI army from the start in your beginning stages is such a blessing, right? So I just want to address that. If you feel like, oh, I'm not far enough yet ahead in my career, please see that as all the more reason to actually have an army at work, because you need it more when you're further away from your goal, right? If you're really close to your goal and you pretty much have all your operations up and running, sure, it's still useful, but it's going to have less of an impact because you're already decently established, right? If you're so far ahead from your traffic is not optimized, you don't have a list, you don't have a proper offer, you don't even know what you want to sell, you don't have a niche you want to go after, oh, you need an army like today, right? So I hope that makes sense. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I see Tony just got in. Tony, congratulations. I see and so many people. I see Corin just purchased. Corin, congratulations. Jens is in, and Jens is in on the mega bundle as well. Jens, freaking congratulations. There you go, there you go. I see Mauricio says I need a side builder. So Mauricio, if you get the mega bundle, you also have the side builder, right? As you know, so definitely make sure you got that mega builder as well. So for anyone that also wants a website builder alongside that, get the mega bundle. And again, the mega bundle is far more than worth it. And you still get the discount on the AI because you're on the live webinar, so you're still getting the biggest bang for your buck. So with that being said, I see people still commenting live discount. The link is in the chat box. So guys, I think that is a wrapper. If there's any questions, if there's any questions, feel free or do not hesitate to reach out to us. And for those of you, and this is the last thing I do, and I never do this, actually never ever do this. I'm gonna do it live right now. I actually already shown it to you. But I know there's some people right now, and I've been in that position myself as well, where you're like, all right, you know what? I actually love this. This actually looks really good. It looks promising. But I've gone through several AIs maybe, or I've been through webinars before, and I got burned. I got burned, and it was a similar situation. I thought it was going to help me, and it was just not what I thought it was, right? And you most likely, it was really hard to get to support. It was a hassle trying to contact them. Maybe even the refund process was a nightmare. And I want you to know, and I know that's a super horrific situation to go through, and it burns all your trust, and it makes it annoying for us as well, because the good guys suffer from that experience too, because you have had that experience. It's harder for you to trust when you see a good company, right? So what I want to do is to give you the confidence for those of you that need it, right? I'm going to put up, and I never really do this, I'm going to put up my personal profile on the screen just to give you that transparency and show you, hey, if there's anything, you have any questions, you want to feel confident, all right, there's a real person behind this, there's a person I can contact, I feel safe with my purchase, right? You can always reach out. We're really transparent, right? I have the pleasure of working with a tool. Any question you have, I can directly put to their support team. Obviously, we have a great support ticketing system as well, but I want to show you that we always showcase the results of our clients. Look at this. I said, what if in 15 minutes from now, you can attract your next clients with content, right? And we had absolute gem to talk to, was lost on where to start at first. Raheem gave me a head start. His tips are amazing, right on. I just spoke 15 minutes with him. Imagine what I would learn if I speak the whole day with it, right? The results, we have the free mastermind group you're going to get access to. So I want you to feel open and trusting that we hop on calls. We are there. We're not hiding away. We're always live. I'm doing anything and everything to better your experience, right? So just so you know, there are real people behind this. This is trustworthy. This is powerful, and you can actually lean on this to get you the results that you're looking for. We're out online every single day. We show up, we're in the trenches, we're applying, we're working, and not only that, we're getting results. Look at this. Christina did 5.5K just like that. Say, hey, I never reported in. I had a call with your associate and got a 5.5K client in the next few days. Life's been busy, but I definitely have room for more growth. This is the level of thinking our clients are getting. Before, they were barely making a dime. Now they're making over $5,000 and say, I can even do better. I don't know if $5,000 will be a huge impact for you. Maybe it's chump change for you, but I just want you to see the levels of what's possible. So I hope this webinar served you, whether you got in or not. I hope you were able to have some eye openers. Please do give us some feedback in the chat, because at the end of the day, that's all what we're here for. As long as you got some value, obviously we do want you to get AI Agents Army to get the most out of this, so you have your time absolutely well spent. You already spent time here today. You might as well get the most out of it. But regardless, let me know if you enjoyed today's webinar. I always try to keep it no fluff, straightforward. Here's what it is. Here's why you would need it. Here's why we created it. Here's how the demo works. Have any questions, ask us. Here's how we do it for clients. Take it or leave it, right? And that's the type of webinars I like. Most webinars out there are really rags to riches. I was poor before, now I'm rich. Look at me now. Do you want the same? Click here. We're not about that. We're like, here's an amazing tool. Here's how it helps us. Here's how I might be able to help you. Here's how it works. If you have any questions, we're here live with you. And because you're showing up live, we've got a great offer for you. Straightforward, not wasting anyone's time. And I hope we were able to do that. If you have any feedback, we're more than happy to hear that. But other than that, I'm super proud of you. Congratulations with your purchase. And I want to thank you for trusting us. And I can't wait to show up to the live webinar sessions and trainings and insider training with you to absolutely make sure you're going to get the biggest bang for your buck. So with that being said, have an amazing rest of your day. I see people saying great webinar. Lynn says some webinars take forever to get to the point. That's exactly what I was trying to avoid. And even I, sometimes when I'm talking, I'm like, oh man, I'm going on a tangent again. But I hope I was able to not do that. And appreciate you for staying until the end, because man, we're here for what, an hour plus now? So I hope you got the value, you saw the power, and that's all I can do. If that is what happened, then I'm more than happy, whether you got in or you didn't get in. This is open right now. Save that link, bookmark that link. If you happen to catch it on a flash sale, whenever maybe we do another live, or who knows, we're doing a new promo, Valentine's Day, whatever, and we're doing a discount. Whenever you have that second chance to get it, because for some reason you weren't able to get it right now, do get it, right? Bookmark that link, save it, and revisit it as many times as you can for whenever you do have that opportunity. Just check if there's an opening, and once you see it's open again, do grab it. For now, all the people that got in on the live sessions, congratulations. You made the wisest and most profitable decision you can have done. And what's going to happen next is you're going to actually start running a business like you should, as a CEO, as a mover and shaker, as a visionary that dictates what needs to happen, and then has an army of AI make it happen for you. I love you guys. See you on the inside. Congratulations with your purchase. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.